This video is about how to pronounce the sound ch. So you can hear this in words like cheese, watch, and church. So how do we make this sound? So first of all, you need to put your tongue quite high up. Imagine you're making the sound t. So basically your tongue is going to touch the top of your mouth, just behind the alveolar ridge here. So t, 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 t. And then what you need to do is take some air in and really let the sound explode out. So it's breathe in, ch, ch, ch. So your teeth are going to be together as well. So ch, 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 cheese, cheese. So one of the main problems that some learners have is that they don't explode enough air out. So it's too soft. So it will sound like she's instead of cheese. So that's one thing. The other thing is some people don't let any air out at all. So it sounds more like a T. So imagine saying teas instead of cheese. So the secret to this sound is to take air in and let it really come out hard. So cheese. Try saying this sentence. The children chose cheese in the church. Can you say this sentence? Do you find this sound easy or difficult? So if you like my video, please feel free to check out some of my other ones. And thanks so much for watching today. And until the next time.